I'm in Mesik. It's a dirt road, but I believe it's a public road. And this is the entrance to the property right here. And that's the view going south. So I'm driving east, I believe. Is that right? Into the property. Yep, east. And it looks like there's pines. I thought I read that you should walk in, but this looks like a really easy driveway. It's gravel. Drive in, so I'm just going for it. That's neighbor's property. My assistants are helping me drive, so this is a build up here because there was a valley and they built up the road here. This is tricky. Probably want to do something there to make sure that doesn't erode. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So that blue over there is probably where they're suggesting you put the well. And then, oh, maybe not. The blue, I'm not sure. It's hard to figure out. Hang on. Minnie, move over. You guys stay in the car for a minute. They said they piled the trees up on one of the property lines. This must be the western property line up here. And that might be the northern property line where the topsoil is piled. It's a lot of sand. Interesting to see the perk test and see what the strata is below. So I'm seeing blue markers everywhere, but I don't quite get it. This would be a lovely site. There's the neighbors over there. In the distance you can kind of hear the cars on M37. I'm seeing coyote footprints out here. And deer. So they cleared some of these trees to open up the view. And it's a snowy day, so not a lot of view right now. I mean, kind of. The road that's right there is not the busy road. That's just a county road. It might be County Road 633, but I'm not entirely sure. Boy, this is gorgeous. I haven't seen a property like this in a while. Well, the hard work's already been done here. You're right, this might be the one.